When it comes to upgrading your kitchen with high-quality, versatile cookware, this Buttermelt 2.5 Quart stainless steel saucepan with steamer basket checks all the boxes. Whether you're cooking a savory sauce, simmering a hearty stew, or boiling pasta to perfection, this saucepan is designed to make every meal easier and more efficient. Here's why this multi-purpose kitchen essential deserves a spot in your cookware collection. Why the Buttermelt 2.5 Quart saucepan is a game changer. The Buttermelt 2.5 Quart stainless steel saucepan isn't just a regular saucepan. It's a highly versatile, multifunctional tool that makes everyday cooking a breeze. Featuring a built-in steamer basket, this saucepan allows you to cook multiple dishes at once, saving you valuable time and energy. Whether you're preparing a soup, steaming veggies, or making pasta, this saucepan can handle it all. But what really sets this saucepan apart from others is its innovative design and premium materials. Let's take a closer look at its features and benefits to see why this cookware is a must-have in your kitchen. Key features and benefits. 2-in-1 design for maximum versatility. The Buttermelt saucepan combines the functions of a traditional saucepan and a steamer basket, allowing you to cook a variety of meals with a single piece of cookware. Whether you're simmering sauces, boiling pasta, or steaming vegetables, the built-in steamer basket makes this pot perfect for cooking multiple types of dishes at once. Imagine being able to boil your pasta while simultaneously steaming your veggies. This is the kind of versatility that makes the Buttermelt saucepan a kitchen essential. Tri-Ply full-body construction for even heat distribution. The Buttermelt saucepan features a superior tri-ply construction. This consists of an 1810 food-grade stainless steel inner layer, a middle sandwich aluminum layer, and a 304 stainless steel outer layer. This tri-ply construction allows for even heat distribution, meaning no more hot spots or uneven cooking. Whether you're boiling water or simmering a sauce, this pot ensures that your food cooks consistently and efficiently, reducing the chances of overcooking or burning. Visual cooking with glass lid and measurement markings. One of the standout features of this saucepan is its tempered glass lid, which allows you to visually monitor your food without needing to lift the lid and lose precious heat. The lid is designed with precision QT and L markings on the body of the pot, making it easy to track quantities and prevent overcooking. 2-size drainage holes for convenient draining. Cooking pasta or draining sauces can sometimes be a tricky, messy task. The Buttermelt saucepan simplifies this with its innovative 2-size drainage holes in the lid. These holes are perfect for draining large solids from sauces or draining the water from your pasta with precision. Whether you're draining thick sauces or light pasta water, this pot offers a level of control that makes cooking easier. Comfortable and secure handling. Designed with your comfort and safety in mind, the heat-resistant handles of the Buttermelt saucepan are reinforced with stainless steel rivets to ensure a secure grip. No matter how full or hot the pot is, these handles stay firmly in place, allowing you to lift, pour, and stir with ease. The reinforced steel rivets add extra durability, meaning the handles will not soften or come loose over time. You can rest assured that your saucepan will remain sturdy, even after years of use. Versatile compatibility with all stovetops. The Buttermelt 2.5 Quart stainless steel saucepan is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic. Whether you're cooking on a high-powered induction stove or a traditional gas burner, this saucepan distributes heat evenly, ensuring precise cooking results every time. Additionally, its tight-fitting lid ensures that your food is cooked efficiently, while locking in heat and moisture. Healthy cooking with premium materials. Buttermelt believes in promoting healthy cooking practices, which is why their saucepan is made from 1810 food-grade stainless steel. This non-reactive material won't alter the flavor of your food, keeping your dishes fresh and flavorful. Why you should choose the Buttermelt 2.5 Quart stainless steel saucepan. If you value efficiency, versatility, and long-lasting durability in your cookware, the Buttermelt 2.5 Quart saucepan is a great investment. Whether you're an avid home cook or a beginner, this saucepan makes cooking easier, healthier, and more enjoyable. Its tri-ply construction, steamer basket, and visual cooking features offer everything you need to cook with precision and convenience. Moreover, with its heat-resistant handles and two-size drainage holes, this saucepan takes the guesswork and mess out of cooking. From boiling pasta to simmering sauces, it's the perfect solution for all your culinary needs. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.